Hey everybody, it's Dave, Icleangrout, just smiling about. Got a little thing I'm doing right now for a realtor friend of ours, and they're going to put the house on the market. The person unfortunately passed away, and I do deal with that situation quite a bit out here in the state of Florida. And so the problem is that when it was done, they had a cat. So the cat was actually left alone quite a bit, I guess, and was sick as well, and it was vomiting and everything. So I got some Berber carpet here. I'm going to have to really work on it. I'm going to pre-vacuum, use a good preconditioner for it, agitate all that out, let it dwell, and I'm going to do a steam extraction as well, neutralize everything, get it all nice and sparkly new again for when it goes on the market. I'm also going to do a little bit of tile here for these people too, because it needs to get done. But I'm going to show you how it's all looking right now, like the before. You'll be like, ooh. But yeah, but that's what I do. You know, I help everybody out. This is great. Wait and see. Watch. So as we come in, it's Berber carpet. Okay, and Berber is notorious for stains coming back if you don't treat it properly. So you can see here, a lot of cat pukies, you know. Obviously the cat ate a lot of dry food. I can see it in here and everything. But that's okay. It's all going to come out. I'm going to pre-vacuum all this out. It's very important. They got a little bit of fiber come out. This is very common in Berber. It starts to lose its strands and everything, so got to be careful with that. And it's a little office area here and stuff. Hello, little friends. Hello, Mr. Cockroach. And then I'll go over here. And so, see some stains here. Got in this here and here. Oh, yeah. So, yep, got a lot of preconditioning. And, you know, sometimes cleaning carpet, it's like being a painter, right? It's all in the prep work. The actual cleaning process is a whiz. It's the prep work. Oh, well, sunflower seeds, okay. Let's leave them there. I got to move all these furniture around too as I go. But as I was saying, prep work is really the key. And it doesn't do any good to just come in and do what I call a wet and jet. And some of these guys do that. They'll just come in, spray some stuff down, and go. But the problem is that with Berber, it will come back. There's a lot of it here. I don't know if you can see it here. All these like little light colored blotches and stuff. That's all cat puke. Now, fortunately, there's no smell. So I don't have a urine problem here. I just had a kitty with a bad tummy. And I'm going to do their grout here too. Let's see if I get lighting in here. Yeah. They got some cracked tile. Nothing I can do about that. They don't have any extra tile. So I'm getting here too. Make this all pop form. I got some stuff I have to move. Big deal. No big deal. Alright, so I'm going to get started. I'm going to set up and we're going to get going here. here and crevices. Sometimes with this gunky stuff, you got to get a little more aggressive with it. You know, but hey, low tech seems to work a lot of times. So that's how dried up it gets and everything. So now the vacuum will be able to pick it up even better. There's nothing wrong with this, okay? It's called agitation. I'm breaking it up, and I'm just happen to be using my shoe. I know, old school, simpleton stuff, but it will work. Yeah. It'll come out. It's going to come out great. Lots of cat hair around here. Little cat hair balls. Jeez, sorry. Down there. Back. Oh, hair. Woo. All right, this is what I pulled out. This is my second dump. Okay, so right now I've spent an hour just pre-vacuuming. All right, I got a 1,500 square foot home, and it's all Berber, and I don't think it's ever been vacuumed really that well. But that's the importance of vacuuming your floors and your carpets, is because even though you may not think it's very dirty, it actually really is. So this is the results I'm getting right now just by vacuuming alone. It already looks better. So you can see it's looking a lot more cleaner. I still got these stains, little teeny stains and stuff like that. All that cat vomit and stuff that got all broken up. This room over here, I think this was the kitty litter room, because I must have took out like 5 pounds of kitty litter in the carpet. It was all in this Berber here. And what's really weird is that, you know, kitty litter is gray, and this is a gray Berber. So I didn't even know until I actually started doing it. It's like, wait a second, where's all this kitty litter coming from? Anyways, so it's already looking good. Not too shabby. All right, this is my go-to pre-spray for really heavily soiled Berbers and Olfians and stuff like that. I've been using Saigers Code Red for a while now, and I'm pretty happy with the results all the time. And then to bring the pH down, I use an acidic rinse, which is his Saigers Deep Blue. Stuff's really good. I don't have any complaints about it. Their prices did go up a little bit, and then I'm like, but I really like this stuff. So I usually put in about 5 scoops. I'm running at a 4-to-1. I'm not using 8-to-1. I go 4-to-1. One more, and then I'm going to fill it up. And then we're going to give it a good pre-spray and agitation with this. Bloop. So you don't fill it up all the way, the Hydro Force sprayer. You go about halfway there, just so you can get things mixed up and going. It mixes pretty well. I don't have to spend a lot of time doing this. And let me go with that. So let me get this set up, and we'll start spraying. Good stuff. those stains disappear. So this is an example of how Saigers Code Red can work on tile on the ground if you're like in a pinch. Pretty dirty. Oops. Sorry about this, everybody, but apparently when I thought I was filming the extraction part and the steam cleaning part of the process of doing this cleaning, I use a GoPro for a lot of that stuff, and the GoPro was actually set to just take a photo. So as I'm cleaning, it just took a picture. So there is no actual video of me doing the steam extraction. Sorry about that. Hope you can forgive me, but you know, that's what happens sometimes. I get going and I gotta get the job done. That's my number one concern. Okay, giving advice and making these videos and stuff like that is a plus, but my number one goal is to do the job properly. So I have to focus on that. And the video doesn't come out right, and I miss a little something. It happens. I apologize. Maybe next time. Anyways, let's continue on with it. All right, here we go. Carpet looks brand new. Like, it's brand new again, fully restored. I have to say I really am proud of what I did, and everything came out really, really good. Berber can be quite a challenge to clean sometimes. All those kitty stains and everything, they're all here. All the vomit, it's all gone. There's no smell, nothing. So I'm going to go back and probably do a little CRB, or I'll take my 175, maybe my Orbot. I'm not sorry, not Orbot, my Orc, and just go over a little bit with a padding, just to help dry it out better and everything. So, but yeah, looks brand new again. You know, didn't tear this up any more than it already was. I was already there. You know this. Nice and bright, clean. So, like I said before, this house is on the market. Oh my God, there was so much cat litter in this room here. All over the place, cat litter. And it matched the carpet. So I didn't even know until I started vacuuming. But that's what you vacuum, you know. I can just hear my shoes squeaking. Like, it's so clean, it squeaks. Look at that. Alright, that wraps up another day for Icleangrout we'll smile about. We do carpets too. Hope this helps a lot of you out there. Leave some comments. Likes, not likes. Give me some feedback. Tell me what you think. Have a great day, everybody.